one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There are situations which have felt blocked. They've been blocked for too long. You've looked at the obstacles, the resistance, the weight of it all, and you've wondered how anything could ever move. But the Lord is saying, my love is not stopped by what stands in front of you. My love is not intimidated by what looks hard, too closed, or too far gone. For just as water flows around rocks, it always finds a way. So my love is finding a way through the circumstances of your life. I'm moving through places that have seemed to be shut. I'm opening up doors which have seemed to be locked. Where it has felt dry, where you've been wounded and felt heavy, I am bringing new life, new birth. Trust in me that I am the Lord who is with you. There is no reason to be afraid, for I am restoring you. I'm healing you. I'm making you new. It is a new day, a day of victory. For I feel you again. I feel you full and overflowing. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.